Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a payee onto your account on YNAB. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the YNAB application on your device. And once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to add any payee onto your account, go ahead and tap on the transaction button at the bottom. You can now either choose the outflow or inflow option. Now, payee is any person that is supposed to receive a payment. So in this case, if you need to add a payee, it'll be someone to whom your cash will outflow onto. In order to add this payee, just tap on the choose payee option. Now, if you already have a payee added onto your account, you can simply type in their name to search for them. Or in order to add a new one, just go ahead and type in their name, and you can then tap on the create payee option. This will now create this person as a payee onto your account. You may choose any category of your payment. And if you have added your account, you can also choose which account you will use to make this payment. Then choose the payment date, and you can even flag it and create a memo and choose to set it as a recurring payment or not. Finally, tap on the save button, and this payee has now been added onto your account right away. After this point on, anytime you make a transaction, you can directly choose their name from the payee section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payee onto your account on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss more updates from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.